Pronouns. Hello children, in this lesson we are going to learn about pronouns. Look at these sentences. Mehak is in her room. Mehak is reading a book. Mehak wants to go out and play, but it is raining. The name Mehak is used many times in these sentences. This makes the sentences sound odd. Let us try to make them sound better. Mehak is in her room. She is reading a book. She wants to go out and play, but it is raining. Do you see what we did there? In the second and the third sentences, we have used the word she to replace Mehak. The word she is a pronoun. Pronouns are the words we use in place of naming words or nouns. Let us look at some more examples of how we use pronouns. Madhur is my friend. He lives in this house. In the second sentence, he stands for Madhur. Tinku is a puppy. It is very active. In the second sentence, the word it stands for Tinku. Next one. Zara is 6 years old. She is playing with a doll. In the second sentence, the word she stands for Zara. In all these sentences, we use pronouns to replace naming words so that we do not have to repeat them. We just learned about the pronouns he, she, and it. We use the pronoun I to talk about ourselves. The pronoun we is used to replace a group of two or more people, which includes the speaker. The speaker is the person who is speaking. Let us meet Mona and listen to what she has to say. Hello, my name is Mona. I like to play basketball. These are my friends. We play basketball together. Did you see how Mona used the pronouns I and we? Now let us learn about the pronoun you. We use you when we talk to one or more than one person. You is used for the person we are talking to. Let us look at this conversation. Hello Saurabh, do you want to play with us? Not today, but I will play with you tomorrow. The pronoun you is used for both one person and more than one person. Let us do a quick recap of he, she, and it. We use he in place of the name of a man or a boy. We use she in place of the name of a girl or woman. We use it in the place of the name of a thing, a bird, or an animal. Now let us learn about the pronoun they. They replaces words that name more than one person, thing, animal, or place. Let us look at some examples. My parents are at home. They are sleeping. Hardeep and his sister are playing badminton. They play every day. There are birds in the garden. They live in trees. In the first example, they stands for my parents. In the second example, they stands for Hardeep and his sister. In the third example, they stands for birds. Let us practice what we have learnt about pronouns so far. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with pronouns. You can use he, she, it, or they. First one, blank is a turtle. The correct answer is it. One more. Blank is a tennis player? The answer is she. Last one. I'm looking for Girish and Navneet. Where are blank? The answer is they. That is all about pronouns. I will see you again with many more practice questions.